Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some awesome things to share with you today. The first one is called Floral Heart to Stamp, and here it is. And you're thinking, oh, Valentine's Day might have already passed, but look at this. It says Happy Mother's Day, Happy Grandparents' Day, Happy Birthday, or Happy Valentine's Day. So it's not really a Valentine's set. And it has this gorgeous, gorgeous stamp that's all floral and scalloped, and then extra floral items to add anywhere else on your card. Now, yes, of course, there's dies, and I was actually able to add a couple extra dies in there. So I got the little floral items, but then I also added this cute little extra die in there, so you have more options. Options, options, options. We always love those, right? Another item that I am releasing is Slimline Scalloped dies. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, let's count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 scalloped rectangle dies, perfect for your slimlines. Yay, right? Also, we now have the Paper Taker by Totally Tiffany in black and exclusive pink. Thank you very much. Now, what is the Paper Taker? The Paper Taker is similar to the drawer system, but there's no drawers. Instead, you can keep cardstock, pattern paper, or dun, 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 your large Stamps of Life envelopes. Remember those storage envelopes that come in your kit club? Yeah, they fit in here. Look at this. Perfect. Now I have like all of my big box dies in here. I have my big alphabets in here. Now, how many envelopes does it hold? It's kind of hard to say, really, because it depends on how much you have in each envelope, right? But right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I could easily fit probably 1 or 2 more. But I need you to know that my envelopes are so fat that I'm using the thickness of that ledge here. So these are very thick ones. So your results will vary, but look how easy that is. And now they're nice and stored. So eventually what I want to do is get 1 for slimline items, 1 for my boxes, 1 for my larger card bases. So I can just go, oh, that's what I need. And then there I am. Now it also comes with a handy dandy little strap here and a little spot, a little envelope that you can put slimline dies or box dies or something like that. Then just pull it off the shelf and you're ready to go. Look, I even have my Z fold card on the back on that one. So pretty awesome. Now let's look at our fun samples. Those scalloped rectangles you're going to use a lot, my friends. Look how fun that is with the pattern paper. There's another one. Congrats. Here's another one. Love life. And then we have all these awesome hearts. So let's see the different things. We have Happy Mother's Day. Oh, I didn't even think of this one. Happy Day. So you could just do Happy Day. Or you don't have to do any words at all. You could just do Shine, which is really cute. Look how cute this is. It's your moment. It's a little easel card. Ooh, here's a pretty little one with a matching envelope, as a matter of fact. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. I love you. Happy Mother's Day. Made it into like a little fold it. Oh, here's a pretty one. Look, it's like it's debossed because they use the die on top. Feel beautiful because you are. Here's a cute one. Happy Grandparents' Day. I love that one. I love that. Oh, here's a pretty one that says love, happy anniversary. So you're going to use this heart a lot more than you think you are. Here's one, Mother's Day, with our pretty doily in the background. So pretty. Here's another one, Happy Mother's Day, with those extras all the way around, making its own pattern paper. Oh, look how cute this one is. Happy Anniversary with that extra heart cut out. And it says Happy Anniversary, and it has our 2 little owls on it. Those little owls, they're my favorite, one of my favorites of all time. Club members, of course you're getting the club discount. I know, it pays to be a club member. It's like we pay you to be club members with all the awesome discounts and goodies and freebies you get. If you're not in the club, you need to join. Go check out the website, thestampsoflife.com. There's lots of information there, lots of videos, and you can find out more about the club. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.